A storm was brewing at 40,000 feet. Fighter jets screamed across the sky, radars lit up like fireworks, and the fate of an entire region teetered on a button press. But behind the silence, a new warrior stood watch, one that sees without being seen, hears without being heard, and strikes without mercy. The Russian-made S-400, India's invisible air guardian. In early 2019, the Indo-Pak tensions escalated to dangerous levels after the Pulwama attack and the subsequent Balakot airstrikes. Pakistan responded with a full-spectrum aerial threat, fighter jets, drones, and possible missile strikes. India needed more than just fighter pilots. It needed a shield. Enter the S-400 Triumf, a Russian-engineered beast of a system, capable of detecting enemy aircraft from 600 kilometers away, tracking 100-plus targets at once, and neutralizing threats before they even cross the border. But here's the kicker. Pakistan never even knew when they were being tracked. That's how stealthy, how lethal, and how precise the S-400 is. When Pakistani F-16s tried to breach Indian airspace post-Balakot, Indian air defense went on red alert. But with the S-400 already deployed along the Western theater, though discreetly, Pakistani jets were locked on the radar before they even came close. The message was clear. Cross this line, and you won't return. No fly zones were enforced. Pakistani jets stayed away, and no missile threats even dared approach Indian skies. This wasn't just technology. This was psychological dominance. The presence of S-400 made India's airspace a no-go zone. Pakistan's Air Force had to rethink, replan, and retreat. Even their use of drones along the LOC got reduced, because they were simply falling out of the sky. Imagine this. Your enemy is flying stealth aircraft. The S-400 can still see them. They launch cruise missiles. The S-400 knocks them down. Even ballistic missiles. The S-400 says, "Not on my watch." With India integrating it into its multi-layered air defense, any enemy plan is shredded before it even takes off. In the world of modern warfare, the silent guardians are the deadliest. And for India, the S-400 didn't just defend the skies, it owned them. If wars are won before they begin, the S-400 is how India did it. Like this story of India's silent warrior? Smash that like button, subscribe for more tech war stories, and drop a comment with your favorite Indian defense system. Until next time, Hi Hind.